Welcome to FA Technologies, aka FAT. Today, guys, I'm going to do the unboxing of both Rockerz 400. I'm sorry for the bad quality video because right now I'm recording this video on my smartphone. Sorry for that. So, this other description that we get backside of the box, it says music play hour is 8 hours, charging time 2 hours, standby time up to 100 hours. It says you can play with crystal clear sound with extra bass, compatible with Android, iOS, Windows, built-in rechargeable battery, microphone with volume control, soft ear cup for extra uses, hand free. It's come in different colors like gray and green, black and blue, black and red, black carbon black amp. The one which I have got is black and red. So let's open it. This is the earphone. What we use? Nothing except for the manual, and that's all. We only get this ear headset along with a manual for how to use it, a warranty card, as you can see, and a cable, charging cable, along with 3.5 mm 3.5 mm earphone jack. So keep this aside. Let's check our headset, what we have. So as you see, this is the headset, guys. It's got simple design. It's look beautiful and comfortable as well. As you can see, the ear cup using, they are soft. Even on the head area you will feel softness. On this side we don't have anything. So here are the controls. Okay, so this one is power on off button. Even while playing music you can use it for pause and play. This is for volume increasing in next song. This is for volume decreasing in previous song. Like if you want to increase the volume, you have to press for some press this button, so volume will increase, and this if you press it will decrease. For playing next one you have to just click one time, previous one time. This is a play and pause. If you are getting a call, press this one time, you can pick it. If you want to cut the call, click one more time and call will be disconnected. This is the charging port, and this is for 3.5 mm jack. Here is the microphone, and this one is the light where you will be on. So let's get first on this. Press for 3 seconds. As you can see, there is a light blinking which the earphone is on now. So let's get, so first let me connect it to the smartphone on the Bluetooth. Here is it, both Rockerz 400. Click on, you can even hear the audio.
You're now connected to boat Rockerz 400.
See, as it says you are connected. So now let's play some music to check whether it is working or not. And as you can see on the air, it shows Bluetooth icon along with its charging. It is halfly charged. That's good. This is for increasing the volume. As you can see, I can hear the audio clearly. So if I press this one, the volume is decreasing. Volume is decreased. If I press this up, the volume will increase again. So this is the pause and play button, right? It is paused now. If I click again, it is playing. If I press this one time, it will play the next song. If I press this one time, it will play the previous song. So pretty much that's it. When you put this headphone on your ear, you can feel that bass where your earphone will drum. It's nice. As for the price, it is available on Flipkart and Amazon. I have given the link in the description. You can buy it from there. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys. Please hit like button and subscribe my channel for new videos.